Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're gonna unbox this Greenlight hitch and tow trailers series 2 I believe, and it's a green machine. Yes, it's a green machine. um the price of the regular ones for these is I guess $25 plus tax, but the market value for this particular one, the green machine, is a bit more higher when you resell it. Thanks for my buddy Steven for hooking me up with this one. So let's open it. It's kind of heavy. Yeah, so it has a bike, which my wife really like. It has a basket and a cooler and a canoe, or maybe, yeah, I think it's a canoe, and like a small trailer. Like, let's see what it's look like inside. And I guess there's a tow hinge you can attach on a truck if you have a truck. So let's open it. They did pretty good on this hitch and tow trailers. I have one more. Maybe I'm gonna review it in different episode, but let's open this one first. Okay. There you go. So this one right here, see the details on the bike is pretty nice. Yeah, it's pretty nice. You can I think you can hook it up on the top of this one, and then yeah, let's take out everything so we can see the details. This is the hinges that you need to attach to the truck. Okay, let's bring out everything. It's pretty cool that these is small stuff like these, like coolers, it has the details on it. I don't know if I can open it. Oh no, it can't be open. So yeah, it's a cooler, and there's a like a basket right here. See, I don't know if, no, this one is doesn't stay. It's not, cannot be open, but you see that the handles are, oh, this one is pretty nice. And see the top of the, I don't know how they call it, but I think it's like a bed trailer. You can sleep on it inside. Yeah, there's a bed inside that you can sleep. There's a drawer. Yeah, there's a drawer. There's a bed, and I guess you can open this. Oh, you can open this one. Look, it says there's a plate numbers too, like outdoorsy, Colorado. Yeah, I guess that's the meaning of outdoorsy, Colorado. So we can open this one too. Oh, look, there's a small kitchen there, like drawers. There's a grill. Nice, pretty nice. Look, but the drawers cannot be opened, but the details is sweet. Yeah, there's a, I don't know, there's a compressor here, and it can be, you can adjust the height for these. You can adjust the height so it can be stationary like that. Yeah, sweet. So I guess we can put the bike too here. Let's try. Yeah, there's a pointy thing you can attach to the rack. Yay! Looks nice. Oops. Wait a second. Oh well, the holes are too small for these, so maybe I need to adjust it some other time. But it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice for this one. Let me grab a truck that maybe that we can attach to it. Yeah, I do have a Jada Silverado here. Let's see if it's working. Ah, perfect. So this hinge, maybe I need to attach maybe here, something like that. Yeah, maybe I need to glue it or something like that. And then we can attach this one. We can attach that one right. Yes. And then we'll be together. Oh, really nice. So yeah, 1947 teardrop trailer. So Greenlight did an amazing job with this one. Yes. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, hit the bell button for notification, and see you next time on my next video. Thank you so much. Peace.